everybody, it's me Juniper here with another really short quick flip through video for you guys. Sorry these are much shorter than you're used to, especially for me. I'm going to do a quick flip through of February 1st, of course, get that out of the way. As always, I will have pictures of all of this in depth on my Instagram and also in Amino if you would like to check them out as well, or just give me a follow. So first things first is my cover page for February. I went with a very simple, nice little pastel pink color and just a nice little quote for the cover page. Nothing too spectacular. My calendar stays pretty minimal, as you can tell. I just use it to keep track of bills and any important dates that may be coming up, mostly just holidays and birthdays. My life's pretty boring. My habit tracker is the same as I did for last month. It is the florals that I drew in, but I tried to do it a little bit different, in terms of like where I placed them. No bad days, which is awesome. I'm very happy that I didn't have any bad days for February. My mood stayed in the highs. Probably, I think, the first month that's ever happened. My weeks are still pretty minimal, nothing really to talk about there. I try to keep them, simple and clean. I used to decorate these a lot, which you probably remember, but I'm trying to keep things a bit more minimal than they used to be. Don't worry, these Wednesday and Thursday did get filled in. Don't worry about that. So the quote I chose for March is, "So I close my eyes to old ends and open my heart to new beginnings." And I really like this quote. I've been doing a lot more fitness like challenges and stuff throughout February into March, so I'm trying to be more open to changes and everything, so I'm happy. Everything else is the same, but as you can tell, my mood tracker is a sea turtle, and each day I'll color in the little bubbles. I'm so excited, something different. And that's all for now. I haven't filled in, the weeks yet. Sorry this was so short. Hopefully I will get a little bit better at making these a little bit longer. Now that I'm actually able to record these a little better, I'm definitely just flying through it, so I apologize. As always, if you like my video, please, give me a thumbs up. Please, leave a comment or just, subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. All important links for, social media and what I use will be in the description. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.